learning outcomes, discuss the Western and Eastern influences on Filipino value and good manners and right conduct, identify the positive and negative Filipino values and their implication to economic development, and appraise one's personal values and understood its implications to being an GMRC teacher. Focuses on the Western and Eastern influences on Filipino values and good manners and right conduct. It has three parts. It begins with the discussion on the contributory factors to Filipino culture, highlighting on the different foreign influences that contributed in the shaping of a Filipino culture. The second part deals with the belief and value system of the Filipino with emphasis on the description of the different Filipino values. The end part contains the list of the positive and negative Filipino values identified by Corps Post et al. 2009. So, kaning focuses on Western and Eastern influences of Filipino and on Filipino values kay na three parts. Ang first kay taking about the shape Filipino culture, especially foreign influences, and second is explaining Filipino belief and values, and third is listing positive and negative Filipino values. Foreign factors to Filipino culture. Nada ang foreign influences. Nada ang Malay, Chinese, Indian, Indo, Spanish, o American. So, ang Malay is the basic component of Filipino culture is the Malay temperament which could be best described by niceness and pleasantness to others rather than by virtue of law-abiding features. In this flagness of culture, the Malay family clan or unit is the world's best security system. So, ang Malay kuno is the influences is to see in the Filipino value of kabaitan, niceness, and the family clan system. While ang Chinese is filial piety between parent and children, the flexibility to go along with other people and the solidness within the kinglikeness without the Filipino is the belief to be due to Chinese influences. Ang Chinese kuno kay influence is reflected in the Filipino value of family, loyalty, and kindness. Indian. Indian influences is found in the languages, mode of dressing, architectural art, folk, beliefs, brass, and copperware. While ang Hindu is the most pervasive in the Filipino belief system or existence is the prediction of Filipino newspaper reading for horoscope and fortune telling sections. Ang Hinduism is the foundation of Filipino belief system including horoscopes and furniture telling. Spanish is reflective of more developed societies at their point of contact, broadened on the outlook of the Filipino. Spain introduced a community-oriented rather than a family-oriented religion in the form of Christianity. It contributed to an elite class, a social and political organization according to Western institution was brought to the Philippines. Ang Spanish colonization that introduced the Catholicism, the Spanish language, and Western style governance to the Philippines, while ang American is the United States further broadened this heritage by introducing a democracy that called for individual liberty and equality, as well as a national community which everybody was supposed to participate through national suffrage. American rule, bro, democracy, English, education, and modern infrastructure to the Philippines. Latin, mechanismo culture, big gathering and fiestas. Manana attitude about time, large number of Filipino party all night. Ang
Machismo culture is this reflect traditional gender role there, where men are expected to be dominant and women submissive. Ang big gathering and festa is Filipino celebrate community and faith through the large social gathering and religious festival, hospi- hospitality and generosity. Filipino are known for the warm welcome and willingness to share with others. Cleanliness. There is the strong cultural emphasis on maintaining personal and public hygiene. Difficulty in distinguishing between reality and myth. Filipino culture often blends folklore, superstition, and everyday life. Asian, appreciation of beauty, pakikisama, maintaining your face. Filipino value beauty, which is reflected in their concept of pakikisama or harmonious relationship. Shame-based societies, declining requests and invites. So Filipino are sensitive to shame, which is influences their behavior and social interaction. The Filipino culture belief system. Filipino are religious and believe in supernatural power with elder being highly respected. Hospitality. Filipino practice hospitality as a golden rule following the saying, do unto others as you would do unto yourself.